This United Real Estate Infinity Property video is presented by Mercysardinas. Multiple offers. Please submit highest and best by Thursday, September 2, 2021 at 12 p.m. A spacious open floor plan with living, dining, breakfast area, and laundry room. Offering just over 1,400 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home built in 2007 and with plenty of backyard space with ample room for a pool is sure to make a long-lasting impression. Tile throughout the home. Large lanai area perfect for your outdoor fun. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Mercysardinas at 756-564-6055.